Hello future crypto millionaires, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Dusk, an RWA token. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. Before we begin, make sure that you subscribe to my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. This is where I post trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI coins, meme coins, gaming, RWAs, DeepIn tokens, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. Do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Dusk is currently ranked 416th. The price is at $0.18 and the market cap is currently sitting right below 90 million, 88.28 million. Its market cap is pretty low, and therefore, there is a lot of potential, lots of room to grow. Before we look at the charts, let's look at what is Dusk. Dusk was founded in 2018, so it has experienced another bull run before. It's a token that is proven if we compare it to other tokens that haven't experienced a bull run before, and it has some kind of community behind it. So Dusk is a layer 1 blockchain designed to provide institutional level and privacy and compliance in order to make it possible for anybody to trade real-world assets from the wallet. Built for regulated and decentralized finance, Dusk aims to evolve the financial landscape by making it possible for regulated assets to be brought on-chain. So the keyword here is RWAs, but also Dusk is a layer 1 blockchain. And layer 1s have been doing pretty well during the previous bull run and are expected to do really well during this upcoming bull run of 2025. L1s have been pretty hot overall as a narrative. This is their website. You can find it at Dusk.Network. Look what it says here: regulated and decentralized finance. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. The website looks really nice though. And this is their X account. You can find them at Dusk Foundation. Dusk is a permissionless, ZK-friendly L1 blockchain protocol focused on compliance and privacy to tokenize RW. On top of these keywords that we saw earlier, L1, real-world assets, we also see that it is ZK-friendly. Their X account looks really nice. They've been pretty active, posting every single day, and they have over 68,000 followers. I think that this token is going to start doing better and it's going to start pumping hard after regulations in many different countries like the US, China, become more crypto friendly. So we gotta be patient with this. However, I expect this to run during this upcoming bull run of 2025. This is the chart. We are looking at Dusk Network USD daily chart on Binance. As you see here, back in 2021, Dusk experienced a really nice pump all the way up here to its all-time high at $1.17. We had some type of double top pattern, as you see here. Look at this. This is it right here. Then people took profits and it started trending down. As you see, after a while, we entered this accumulation phase, accumulation zone, until we broke above it and we had a nice little pump recently on March and April of 2024. When the crypto market as a whole pumped. So Dusk followed the rest of the market. And therefore, that's a clear indication that next time the market pumps, Dusk is probably going to follow. It's not going to be left behind. That's why this is a very nice token to have on our watch list. As you see here, we are currently at range lows. Let's zoom in so you guys can see this better. I have drawn already one trend line that looks pretty valid on the chart, but I think we can draw a second one. It's going to be something like this here. Yeah, that looks amazing. So we have this triangle pattern that Dusk has been forming during the past couple of months. We have this lower descending trend line that acts as support because the price action has been bouncing here. You see a bounce here, another bounce, two more bounces here. So this lower trend line is pretty valid. And also we have this descending upper yellow trend line that acts as resistance. You see we had two rejections here, another one, a third one. So we might see another rejection here in the coming days. As long as the price action keeps moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. This might break out to the downside. So if we see a breakout to the downside, what I would do is I would exit all my long positions or short Dusk. However, this pattern has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, you might want to consider waiting until the price action breaks above this descending yellow resistance trend line. A breakout above and probably a retest of this might be a very good indication that we are in the beginning of a change of trend, and therefore that might be a very nice buying opportunity for us. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner for more profits, a higher risk, higher reward trade would be to wait for another pullback all the way down here to this descending yellow trend line that acts as support. This would be an even better buying opportunity. So for example, you might want to consider start scaling in as close as you can above this yellow trend line and expect for it to bounce. And what you are trying to do if you start scaling in around here is you basically want to front run the breakout above this triangle. That's the idea behind this. So to sum it up, we have idea A, that would be a pullback to this bottom descending yellow trend line that acts as support. And this might be a very nice buying opportunity for us, probably the best buying opportunity, because this way we can front run a breakout of this triangle pattern. And we have plan B, that's for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, where you can just wait until the price action breaks above the triangle pattern. So idea B is more safe. So if we see a pullback and you guys manage to enter all the way down here on this support, the measured move to the first target that's located at 24 cents is approximately a 63% move. To the second target at 30 cents, that's almost a 100% move, 98.5 to be exact. To the next target at 36 cents, that's 138%. The next target is located at 41 cents, and that's going to be a move of approximately 180%. Again, idea A, starting the measured move from all the way down here, is a higher risk, higher reward trading idea. If you want to trade this in a more safe manner, you'll make less profits following idea B. For example, if the breakout happens somewhere around here, the measured move to the first target at 24 cents is going to be 26%. To the second target at 30 cents, that's going to be 54%. Next target, 36 cents, 85% move. And to the price level of 41 cents, that's going to be a 112 move only, compared to a move from all the way down here that would be a 180% approximately. So you are going to lose a 60% more profits if you manage to buy in all the way down here. And then again, to this high, if idea A plays out, that's going to be 372% profits, while if idea B plays out, that's going to be approximately a 246% profits. So these are the short-term targets. I really think that Dusk can reach that previous high and even break above it sometime in the coming weeks or months. My price prediction for Dusk is all the way up here. So at 68 cents is the recent high that we experienced on March of 2024. The real all-time high is at $1.16, as I told you earlier. I expect Dusk to break above this and that all-time high that it put in back in 2021. And my price target is all the way up here at $3. In my view, this is a conservative price target. Many other people are calling for Dusk Network to reach $10 during this upcoming bull run. My target at $3 is approximately a 15x move from the current levels. If Dusk manages to reach the $3 price level, that means that it's going to have a market cap of 1.4 billion. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think, guys? Can Dusk Network pull a 15x move during this upcoming bull run? What is your price prediction for Dusk for 2025? That's all I had for you today. Again, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.